Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'm delighted to see you all here today. Today's presentation is titled Basic of Good Manufacturing Practices, with a focus on quality control. Over the next few slides, we'll explore the key principles that ensure quality in manufacturing processes. We'll cover fundamental concepts and best practices that are essential for maintaining high standards. I look forward to sharing insights with you all. Let's get started. Why GMP? Well, GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practice, is essential because it ensures that products are consistently produced and controlled to quality standards. It's really about safeguarding the integrity of what we're making, especially in industries like pharmaceuticals and food. By following GMP, we minimize risks such as contamination, errors, or deviations that could compromise safety and efficacy. This is crucial not just for compliance with regulations, but also for building trust with our consumers. When we talk about the overall theme of quality and safety, GMP provides the foundation, making sure that every step in the process aligns with the highest standards. So, in essence, GMP isn't just a set of rules, it's a commitment to excellence and responsibility in manufacturing. Let's talk about quality control, or QC. This is a crucial part of our overall process, because it ensures that the products or services we deliver meet the highest standards. Essentially, QC is about systematically checking and verifying quality at different stages. By doing so, we catch any issues early on, which helps us prevent defects from reaching the customer. One of the key points here is that QC isn't just about inspection at the end, it's integrated throughout the workflow. This proactive approach helps us maintain consistency and reliability. Highlighting this connection, quality control ties directly into the overall theme of continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. When we emphasize QC, we're reinforcing our commitment to excellence and to delivering value. So, in summary, effective quality control is about vigilance, early detection, and continuous monitoring to ensure we uphold our standards and meet our goals. Let's take a closer look at the functions of quality control. First, quality control is primarily about ensuring that the products or services we deliver meet specific standards. This involves inspecting and testing to catch any defects or issues early on. By doing this, we prevent subpar products from reaching the customer, which helps protect our reputation and build trust. Another key function is identifying areas for improvement. When we find defects or inconsistencies, it gives us valuable insights into what might need to be adjusted in our processes. This continuous feedback loop helps us refine our operations and enhance overall quality. Additionally, quality control helps in maintaining consistency. When every product or service is checked and verified against standards, it ensures that customers receive a uniform experience every time they interact with us. All of these functions tie back to the overall goal of quality management, delivering value to our customers through reliable, high-quality products and services. In essence, quality control isn't just about catching mistakes, it's about fostering a culture of excellence and continuous improvement across the organization. Let's continue exploring the functions of quality control. In this slide, we'll delve into some additional aspects that are crucial for maintaining high standards in any process. First, one important function is inspection, which involves examining products or services at various stages to ensure they meet the desired quality levels. This helps us catch defects early and prevent faulty items from reaching the customer. Next, testing plays a vital role, especially in industries like manufacturing or software development. Testing allows us to identify issues before products are finalized, ensuring reliability and performance. Then, there's feedback collection, where we gather insights from customers or end users. This feedback is invaluable because it helps us understand how our quality measures are performing and where improvements are needed. Another key function is corrective actions, which involve analyzing problems and implementing solutions to address root causes. This proactive approach helps prevent recurring issues and continuously enhances quality. All these functions tie back to our overall goal: delivering consistent, high-quality products or services that satisfy our customers and strengthen our reputation. Understanding and effectively applying these functions is essential for a successful quality control system. Let's talk about documentation during testing. This is a crucial part of the process because it helps us keep track of what we're doing, what we find, and how we address issues. Proper documentation ensures that everyone involved is on the same page and can review the testing process later. It also provides a record of compliance, which can be vital for audits or future reference. When documenting during testing, it's important to be thorough but clear. Record the test cases, the results, and any anomalies or bugs you encounter. Be specific about the steps taken and the environment in which testing occurred. This helps in reproducing issues and verifying fixes later on. Remember, good documentation supports continuous improvement. It allows teams to learn from each testing cycle and refine their processes. Ultimately, it ties back to our overall theme of quality assurance, making sure we deliver reliable, well-tested products. Let's continue with our discussion on documentation during testing. As we see here, this is a continuation of the previous points, emphasizing the importance of thorough documentation throughout the testing process. It's crucial to record all test cases, results, and any issues encountered, as this creates a clear record for future reference. Proper documentation helps in tracking progress, identifying patterns, and ensuring accountability. Remember, detailed records also support effective communication among team members and stakeholders. By maintaining comprehensive documentation, we make it easier to verify that testing covers all necessary scenarios and that any defects are properly documented and addressed. This consistency is key to ensuring the quality and reliability of the final product. So, as you go through testing, keep in mind that meticulous documentation is not just a bureaucratic task. It's an integral part of delivering a successful, high-quality software. Let's talk about records. Records are essentially the backbone of data management and analysis. They serve as the organized units that store information, whether it's customer details, transaction histories, or any other data set. Understanding how records are structured and maintained is crucial because it impacts how efficiently we can retrieve and use that data. Think of records as the building blocks that support the entire data ecosystem. By managing these records properly, we ensure accuracy, consistency, and accessibility, which all tie back to our goal of making data-driven decisions more effective. So, in essence, records are more than just data. They're the foundation for insights and strategic actions. Let's now focus on the implementation of GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices. This is a crucial step in ensuring that our products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. When we talk about implementing GMP, we're emphasizing the importance of establishing a comprehensive system that covers every aspect of manufacturing, from raw materials to the final product. This means designing facilities that meet hygienic standards, training staff properly, and maintaining strict documentation at each stage. It's about creating a culture of quality and safety throughout the production process. Most importantly, GMP implementation isn't just a one-time setup. It requires ongoing monitoring, regular audits, and continuous improvement. This way, we can identify potential issues early and ensure that each product leaving our facility is safe, effective, and of the highest quality. In the context of our overall theme, implementing GMP is foundational. It lays the groundwork for reliable, safe pharmaceutical manufacturing, which ultimately benefits patients and builds trust in our products. Let's continue exploring the implementation of GMP and pick up where we left off. In this slide, I want to emphasize that implementing good manufacturing practices is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. It requires continuous monitoring and improvement to ensure that quality standards are maintained. We need to focus on thorough documentation, which is vital for traceability and accountability. Every step in the manufacturing process should be well documented, so that if issues arise, we can trace back and identify what happened. Additionally, staff training plays a crucial role. Well-trained personnel are essential to uphold GMP standards consistently. Training should be ongoing, ensuring everyone understands their responsibilities and the importance of quality. Another key point is validation and qualification. We must validate processes and equipment regularly to confirm they operate within specified parameters. This helps prevent deviations and maintains product integrity. Finally, I want to highlight the importance of audit and inspection readiness. Regular internal audits and preparing for external inspections are necessary to ensure compliance and continuous improvement. All these elements together create a robust GMP system that supports safe, effective, and high-quality products, which is ultimately the foundation of our overall quality assurance strategy. Let's continue exploring the implementation of GMP, or good manufacturing practices, and delve into some key aspects that are essential for maintaining high standards. As we discussed earlier, GMP is all about ensuring the quality and safety of our products throughout the manufacturing process. Now, in this continuation, we'll focus on how these practices are put into action effectively. First, it's crucial to emphasize that documentation plays a vital role. Accurate records not only help in maintaining consistency, but also in demonstrating compliance during audits. Every step, from raw material handling to final packaging, should be thoroughly documented. This creates a transparent trail that supports quality assurance. Next, training of personnel is fundamental. Employees must be well-versed in GMP protocols, understanding their responsibilities and the importance of following established procedures. Regular training sessions help keep everyone updated on best practices and any changes in regulations. Another key point is cleanliness and sanitation. Maintaining a hygienic environment minimizes contamination risks. This involves routine cleaning schedules, proper waste disposal, and controlling access to manufacturing areas to prevent cross-contamination. Additionally, equipment qualification and maintenance are critical. Regular calibration and preventive maintenance ensure that machinery operates correctly, which directly impacts product quality. Lastly, implementing robust quality control measures at various stages helps catch issues early. This includes sampling, testing, and validation processes that verify each batch meets the required specifications. Connecting these points back to our overall theme, it's clear that effective GMP implementation is a comprehensive effort. It requires diligence, consistency, and a proactive attitude to uphold product integrity and consumer safety. When all these elements work together seamlessly, we can confidently deliver high-quality products that meet regulatory standards and, most importantly, satisfy our customers. Let's continue our discussion on the implementation of GMP. As we move forward, it's important to recognize that maintaining consistent quality and safety standards is a continuous process. This slide highlights some key points that build on what we've already covered. First, ongoing training and education of staff are crucial. GMP is not a one-time setup. It requires everyone involved to stay informed and vigilant. Regular training ensures that all team members understand the latest procedures and compliance requirements. Second, documentation plays a vital role. Accurate records of processes, deviations, and corrective actions help us trace issues back to their root causes. This transparency supports continuous improvement and regulatory compliance. Third, the importance of validation and calibration cannot be overstated. Regular validation of equipment and processes guarantees that everything operates within the specified parameters, ensuring product quality. Lastly, fostering a culture of quality within the organization is essential. When everyone from top management to frontline workers values GMP principles, compliance becomes a shared responsibility rather than just a policy. Connecting these points to our overall theme, It reminds us that successful GMP implementation is about embedding quality into our daily routines and organizational mindset. This approach not only safeguards consumer health, but also enhances our reputation and operational efficiency. GMP in a single line. When we talk about GMP, or good manufacturing practice, we're really emphasizing the importance of maintaining quality throughout the manufacturing process. It's a comprehensive approach that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. This means everything from raw materials, equipment, to personnel and procedures are all part of the GMP framework. The key idea here is that GMP acts as a foundation for safety, efficacy, and quality, which are critical in our industry. And as we've discussed throughout this presentation, adhering to GMP helps us build trust with our customers and regulators alike. So, in essence, GMP in a single line is about ensuring quality and safety at every step of production. It ties everything together and underscores the importance of a disciplined, consistent approach to manufacturing. For further support, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help you with any questions or additional information you might need. Remember, your success is important, and we're committed to providing the assistance you require. Thank you so much for your time and attention today.